Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life, and our topic tonight is the English language is the window of the world. So, knowing about another people experience in learning English is very interesting for me, especially. So, like Mrs. Dewi before said, she inspired by her brother in learning English and learned English very early when she was a very young girl with the environment in her family, yeah, support to use or speak English every day. So, different to Mr. Diaz, he learned English manually by watching MTV every day. So, what about you, Achang?
Yeah.
What
okay.
about your story?
So actually,
Mm-hmm.
so actually when I child and like elementary school until senior high school, I don't know. I'm really not interested about the English because actually my environment don't follow me to learn English because in our village, I just speak like in traditional language, right? Like Buginese or something like that. I'm not really expect I can learn English until now, but when I because I think that because I don't achieve in like Unhas, I try to enter in the one private university in Makassar, and I'm really curious because the people side English is very important. That is why we think I have to choose English major, right? And I will choose because I think I will the next year I will move to the campus, right? And I think but actually when I join in our campus, I don't really expect I can gain a good environment, I can gain a good friend like here. I think that when you even if you adult or you all for example, but if your environment follow you to learn about anything, it's very easy to you like learn English or something like that. It doesn't mean you have to learn from your child. No. It depends on you if you have desire to learn, if you consistent, and if you have a good environment, you can learn English like probably 1 month enough to you like speaking, even if your grammatical is not delicious. It's not well.
The structure of English is not pretty good.
Yeah.
I remember.
Oh my God. This is the student of English major, loh.
It's not well.
Oh my
I
God.
mean.
So yes, that's one of the uniqueness from English language uniqueness. Yeah. Especially from the unique person who learn about it. Yeah. Well, so we have a newcomer. Hi, sister. How are you?
I'm good today.
So yes, please introduce yourself to smart listener and tell your English experience.
Okay. My name is Jumriati, and I'm committee in BPEC now. My experience learn English when I entered in English education.
Oh yeah.
And it is, and when I try in the past, I have not introduced the English. I don't know English, and I don't know how to say sama sekali.
At all? You don't know at all?
Yeah.
Not at all.
Nothing you know about English.
Yeah.
Oh, so?
Yeah. And until I entered college now, and I take a major English education, and I try to learn English, and but I'm not competent actually.
Yeah, no. Yeah, we learn together.
Actually, because it's so hard. I mean, but I try to learn the English because it is important for me. It is want to will be bring me in the future. Maybe I learn English right now. This is will be bring me become
Break.
yes.
You have a bright future with
Yeah.
with English, and maybe
Yeah.
you can go abroad with your
Amin.
English. Amin. So, guys, which more difficult as your perspective, yeah? Which more difficult? Learn English manually, learn English by yourself with your passion and curiosity, or learn English in the school, in the environment that maybe will support you to learn English. Which more difficult and which more fun
Yeah.
from your point of view? From Jimmy first.
Which one is
Which one?
difficult?
You learn English. You know about English when since you were the student of university, right?
Yeah.
So on purpose, you take the English education. Yes.
Yes.
So to learn English, that's good. So which one more difficult you think right now to learn English?
I think learn English. Learn grammar.
Okay. Is it in the I don't know
And,
which one? No, the question is which one more difficult and more fun in learning English? You learn naturally with your curiosity, manually with your passion, or maybe with the in the college, in the school.
Oh.
Yeah. That's it.
You get the point, right?
Ngebak.
You need time to think. Do you need time to think?
Okay. I think that more difficult is when I learn in apa? In campus.
Oh, yeah.
Campus.
Then you learn by yourself.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Why?
Because when I learn by myself, I can know my capability.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, my capability. If I compare if I learn in campus, it is just a little bit.
Oh, yes.
As
You are not confident and
yes.
always comparing yourself maybe
Yeah.
to other. Oh, yeah. So she need time to how to say? She need time to be alone, yeah.
Yeah.
To learn English a lot.
Extra time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, because sometimes when we learn by our own self, we learn in the house and looking for more information about what we curious to. Yes, sometimes it more how to say we can find more than we expect, right? Before we more confident, we know our capability and so on. So move to another one, Mrs. Dewi. Which more difficult for you?
Of course, I think it's everybody is struggling about learning grammar, yeah, and so am I. But day by day, I realize that I know grammar is important actually, especially to the student at university. But because I'm no longer a student, so I think I totally don't care about grammar because
structure, yes.
yeah, the structure or something like that, and. I can still prove for myself that I can go anywhere, not because of grammar. At least I can speak and people can understand me. That's the struggle points, yeah.
Yes.
But for the funniest point that I get it when I have to speak to use English daily to my children. I mean, it's like challenge me and so many obstacles there that I have to like mixing sometimes using Makassar language and Bahasa
And English.
English too.
Oh, yes.
Mixing.
Trilingual.
Yeah, three in one, and that makes me more like I have to learn more and more too. Not only not because only that I'm a mother, then I get stuck, and that's why I still join BPEC. I never leave BPEC because for me BPEC is my real second home, and it builds my best character that I used to a silent reader in BPC, and then now I am today. I'm easy. I mean, even though my grammar is still totally bad, but then I can sit down to and still compete with the young generation. So that's the point.
So you think learn English with the environment, with the community is more fun and more easy, yeah?
More easier.
Than learn by your own self. All
But
right.
Don't worry, you are still young.
English, yes, English as the window of the world. You can go abroad. You can reach your dream by your English skill. As simple as that. With learning English as the international language. But yes, from Achang. Yes, from Mr. Diaz. Oh my God, I forget.
Check me.
I almost forgot you. Which more fun you think and more difficult to learn English by yourself, or you learn by yourself, or maybe you learn in some institution?
Of course, because I include of people that like learn in out of the books. Of course, I like learn by myself. I like to looking find the environment that I can learn by fun. For example, in club meeting, and some obstacle when we study in college in the formal, in the formal situation, they provide. The institution provide this is the rule, this is a formal, this is a we have to absolutely to follow that
the rule.
that,
Yes,
like
yes,
the
yes.
form, like grammatical, something like that. But when we learn in ourselves that we have own that's-
There's no limitation. There's no rule.
there is no limitation, there's no dimension.
Yes.
And we just do it, we learn because we like it. This is come from our heart, come our interesting, and come for our passion, our insight, and everything about ourselves. It's come from ourselves. So of course, absolutely, I choose learn from myself.
Yes, and you prove it. You know English. You can speak English fluently because of your curiosity in English, watching TV all the time.
All the time.
And hearing English song or watching the English movie, right? So yes, about you, Achang. What about you, Achang?
Yeah,
You
sure.
learn English. You know English since you're in college. Yes.
Yeah, exactly. I prefer about myself because in our college it's very I think it's very bored. I feel boring.
Oh.
Yeah, sometimes.
Yes, you have to say it to your
No, I'm not saying
to your
that-
lecture.
Yeah,
Don't mention it.
no, I think I mean I'm not saying all of the lecture. No, it's just several lecture. It's sometimes I
Mention the
prefer.
name.
No.
Not to mention, yeah.
Yeah, sometimes I'm really annoying for the docent killer. Yeah, I think that
Everywhere you can go. Everywhere.
sometimes I prefer to learn in college. Depends on the lecture itself. If in our lecture it's like funny or friendly for us, I exactly I prefer to learn in my college, right? Because sometimes I learn ourselves. Sometimes I feel bored. Also, it's kind of hard for me like understand about in our topic because I need people to teach me. That is why I think that environment really important with us. Like we can share same with same with now. That's all.
So why do you love English? What makes you fall in love with English?
Yeah, I don't know actually because
Or you don't love English until now?
yeah, exactly. If we wanna learn a new song something, yeah, we have to love it. That's why I love English when I join several organization because they force me to love English. Actually,
Oh yeah,
if we
the forced love,
sometimes we have for
unconditional love.
yeah, sometimes we have for something to love it or something like that.
So you love because you have to. Yes.
Because it is related with my major. That's
Yes,
why
yes,
we
yes.
forced to love.
Yes. So guys, learning English sometimes very fun. Sometimes we can know anything that we haven't known before because English. But for some people, maybe until nowadays, even though I think, even though the English language itself is more familiar right now than the years before, but still, there's a lot of people feeling yes, scary to learn English.
Or underestimate you.
Underestimate and sometimes
Feel insecure.
I don't know, saying a bad things, saying a bad word to the person who are curious and learn or speak English. Yes, so I don't know, maybe you have some tips maybe or kind of statement to say this is it, English, you have to learn about it, you like it or not, this is the international language. So who want to say the statement? Yes.
Yeah, we cannot deny that every expressions come from our society, our neighbors, our friends, our brothers and sisters, even at home, that English is a scary thing, English is a difficult, English is a oh my god, this is my I hate it, but actually right now English is a common things. So English is not like English is like not something special right now. Yeah, so I just maybe I can say that if you want to make it easier your life, just learn, just study English, because English can give you power, can give you knowledge, can give you you can change the situation of yourself, your family. You can be welfare, you can traveling the world. Your class is higher than before when you can mastering English. So the point is, if you want to mastering English, right now a lot of sources to study English.
Yes.
You can join with meeting club, you can join with virtual digital platform, right? You can take a course in the school, in the college and environment. Also, the most important is how can we make significant in English. Of course, we need to interact with the many peoples.
Yes.
Because the key is how we can build our English by acquire many words from others peoples. That's why one of a method very significant when you want to build your English, of course, totally you need to join with English Meeting Club.
Yeah.
In BPEC you can get free.
Which is BPEC. Oh
Yes.
my god, that's it. Always, yeah.
Always.
So the question now, joining the club of join English club is one of the way to learn English. But is there any easiest way to learn English? So we get to know after the break.